What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video where we talk about using the Pocket Option platform to do binary option trading. As you can see, today we are going to talk about creating your own challenge and, again, using the 5-second strategy, but this time on 30-second candles. Trades in the demo, and I will also show you trades in the live. If you are new to the channel, hang around, look at the previous videos, consider subscribing, leave a comment, smash that like button, and let's get into it. As always, consider signing up with the Pocket Option platform, as many of us are learning to hit those entry points and win our trades. But you can't do it if you don't sign up and get your trading session going. So glad to also hear that the ebooks continue to allow people to hit their marks, have success in their trading session by simply following the setups in the ebooks that are giving you clear as day setups to take on a 1-minute expiration for a 1-minute trade. Love to see this. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for this wonderful comment. So happy that people are enjoying the channel and getting value out of it, and you're learning something along the way. Congratulations are in order to all of the people that are just killing it with the 5-second strategy. You have DM'd me. I do shoutouts. Look, it works, folks. I think that many people out there just have to continue to practice. The feedback that I'm getting, everyone loves that 5-second strategy. So congratulations to everyone who has reached out to me to share that they are having a lot of success. Now, consider doing a challenge. What I'm talking about is try to stick to your goal or your budget for 7 days. Create whatever goal it might be. Let's say if you wanted to do $100 or you wanted $100 at the end of the week. You can do it obviously any way that you want. These are just examples. You can break it down into 4 trades that you might take over a period of 4 days. Okay? So you would take 1 trade a day for 4 days at $25. Or you might want to do 5 days and take a trade once a day for 5 days at $20. Or you might want to consider doing 6 days and spread it out. And in those 6 days, you're going to take 1 trade for $16.60. 1 trade for 6 days. Or you may say, I'm just going to go 1 trade for 7 days. And I'm only going to risk $14.28. Now, do keep in mind, you have to pay attention to the payouts, the 92% and the 80%. Most times I don't go below 70. So what this does, it allows you to create your own personal discipline when you begin trading on this platform or just trading in general. Make them realistic and reachable. Why isn't it working? First off, that's very hard for me to address because, again, I'm not seeing how you're trading. When I do see or coach a lot of people and they just are not getting it at all, or they're missing their marks, oftentimes you're just maybe not familiar with the platform enough. You are not looking at the whole picture and you're not really sure what's going on. When I talk about different setups, I never want to encourage you just to look for a candle and hit that button. I know I'm repeating myself, but when it's not working, pinpoint exactly where it's going wrong. I've said it many times before. If you have a winning streak, you start to lose, and write down the day, the time. How come you're not winning? Did you get all your confirmations? If you're so new and it's not working at all, and again, hopefully you're in your demo account, don't get in your live account, then you need to probably familiarize yourself a lot more with the platform. Again, it's hard for me to pinpoint exactly what could be happening in your trading sessions because I can't see how you're trading and what specifically is happening. I do know of the people that I've spoke to and that were struggling. We were able to pinpoint those specific issues. When it's not working for you, really try to hone in on what exactly is going wrong. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the trades. Starting in the demo account, going for 5 seconds. One screen. It's just us and the candles. Candles are on 30 seconds. Let's see how it goes.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to.
Now let's check out the live account. Same thing, 5-second strategy. Candles are on 30 seconds. Let's see how it goes.
Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Motivation, just a little while.